push back, okay? I'll place my hand right here. Look back at your balloon. There it went. 1, 2, 3. All right, go ahead and flip over. Scoop it into. Okay, look back at the fireplace. Good. Now relax. 1.
Ooh, that's good. I've never gotten that size like that.
Go and lay on your
No, I'm not
stomach.
supposed to.
All right, take a deep breath in. All the way out. Pick up your head. Good. And then let it fall.
Oh.
Pick up your head. And let it fall. Drop the shoulder.
Well, that was
Bit of a pull here, okay?
wow, I feel like that really
Deep breath. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was
How you feel?
good. Not like that's those are the spots I'm trying to hit by myself. You know I shouldn't.
You want to stand up, move around, see how you feel.
That's good.
Good. Loose.
Yeah. I feel like I'm even. I feel like